how to delete your Canva designs. So, hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can go ahead and then basically delete our Canva design. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to basically go ahead and then first of all delete your Canva design, simply open your browser and go to canva.com, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now, what you have to do over here is you will set this interface. Here you can see recent designs. So here you'll see all the designs that you have. All you have to do is just click on the three dots option right next to a certain design and just click on the move to trash option right here. So once you click on move to trash, you will then be able to delete your Canva account. If you want to restore, you can restore it maybe up to 30 days, but after that, you will be not be able to go ahead and then basically able to restore it. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.